Give it to me. At your age, you are not ashamed of yourself. You will be stealing my money. If I keep money, you will take it. Your mates are given to their parents. In your own way, you choose to steal my money. You are not going anywhere to give me that money.
Now. Stop shouting. People will be passing out. They'll be hearing your voice. Stop embarrassing me now. Eh?
Let them hear my voice. Let them hear it. If you don't want them to hear, then stop taking my money. The whole world must hear that you are a thief. Your mother keeps money, you steal it. Give it to me.
Why are you calling me names? If I don't take your money, whose money will I take? Eh? You keep money and I have problem as your son. I'll take the money and solve my problem. It's normal. That's how life should be.
Look at you, Ugo. I don't know that you are this senseless, useless and stupid. If you like Maggie, as old as you are, if you like your old mother will keep money and you will steal it.
I have to take your money now. How will I survive? Be honest with me. Just tell me the truth between me and you. Were you not taking your own mother's money that time when you were my age?
I did not steal my mother's money.
Who are we going to ask?
Ask my mother. I did not.
Your mother is late now. She's dead. How will I?
You are not Ugo.
Mama, stop this thing. Stop this thing.
Ugo, okay. Go back. Go out and come back. I'm waiting for you. At his age, he is stupid, useless, and senseless. What kind of a son is this? Oh, Chimo. Why did I even allow him to go out? Ugo! Ugo! Okay, I am waiting for you. You must return that money. You must return that money.
I need bread and akara.
Okay, for 300.
Guys, small, I the best. Now I first to come here.
Calm down, no? Calm down.
This bread don't finish. This one at the rush this bread.
This one how much?
Akara,
how many akara?
100 naira.
Give me akara 200. Give me akara 200.
Don't give me money.
Who is calling?
Mama, I'm coming. It's something very important.
You see, you're coming. You need to go. You're calling Akara. Mama, so is the love of her life. Can't you become love of her life? You need to shut up. At your age, I didn't know what love was. Oh, no, never now call love of her life. I said, Mama, it will shock you. Now get him. This is my point. Stupid girl, it will shock you. Shock you what you know or what you don't know. Now what can you kill him? I will check it very well because
just 5,000 naira. Ordinary 5,000 naira. My mother is giving me problem.
No, wait. What do you mean by just? You and I know that 5,000 naira nowadays is not just. Your mother has been suffering so much since she lost your father. All you can do is just try to help that woman.
This is not why I called you. How can you come here and be supporting my mother? See, a man is going through a lot. You should support me. Is it a crime to take my mother's money? If I do not take my mother's money, whose money will I take? Am I not the same person who goes for menial jobs? I make money, I give to my mother will be jumping and be happy. And now gets to her turn, she's talking like this. Why now?
Wait. Let me ask you. What exactly did you use?
Did I do with the money, right?
Yes, what did you do with the money?
I knew that would be the next thing you asked me. Rubbish. Why are you taking after my mother?
Ugo, this has nothing to do with taking after your mother or anything of the sort. You just have to be accountable.
Accountable for what? Accountable for what? Tell me. Is this why you even came here? No. I don't like it though. Accountable? What am I being accountable for? My mother's money is my money. If I do not take her money, who will? That's the only way I can survive. If I take another money that is not her own, I'll go to prison. What are you telling me? Instead of you to come here and support me. A man is always going through too many things. Living in this country is tough. You're thinking about this one, you're thinking about this one, thinking about this one. Your head is always hot. So what you should do, you notice this kind of thing, you calm your man down. That is what you should do. Not to be giving me problem, teaching me accountancy. Accountant general.
Why are you always like this? Always unrepentant.
What am I repenting for? Repent for what? Repent about what? What? Repent with what and how? What am I repenting for? That I did what? Taking your mother's money is not a crime. It is my mother. She gave birth to me. So whose money will I take? Tell me I'm being unrepentant. I don't like it though.
Ugo, you just need to stop being on the defense.
I do not have a choice. This country is tough. If you don't defend yourself, people like you and my mother will just finish me. What are we even talking about? Is this why you came here? So this is why you left your mother's Accra joint and came here. If this is what you came here to, enough. Go.
Huh?
I don't want to go. Go. Keep supporting your man. Find ways. If your man is having tension, you...
I'll give you the money.
This is what you should have told me since. You've always known you give me the money and you just be firing on all cylinders. It's not good now. Notice that your man has a problem, you solve. Because you know me. If you solve, I solve for you. You help me, I help you. Help me, I help you. That's that. Why are you frowning?
Ugo.
Mm?
Ugo.
Mm?
Ugo.
Mm?
How many times did I call you? This will be the very last time I will bail you out.
If you don't bail me out, I'll go to prison. I'll go to prison.
I'm not joking.
I'm sorry.
You don't have it yet.
Always hide more.
There's not even put the other one there. See yourself went to find colors. For where? It was hard though. I wanted to even come back the way I left, sir. What happened? It was one man. He was inside a very big jeep. He bought all the akara. Said he wants to give it to his boys. I was happy, eh? That's good. You see why I call you the star girl? Always having luck. Where's Mama? She went to buy some beans for evening market. Okay. I think I saw Sister Chinerio. She left her since. I'm sure she went to see that I ever collecting money. Ever collecting? What do you mean by that? He's always taking from her. What does he give her in return? Nothing. More of collecting. This girl, this your mouth will put you in trouble. But I'm saying the truth. Is she complaining? Gossiping. What is this? It's volleyball. You can't even do anything. Look at the akara you. What is this? Is this akara buns? Hi. Your mother is a degree holder in akara. In your buns now we akara. What kind of nonsense is this? E.T. Now in this akara E.T. Let's go. Did you finish? Yes, Mama, I finished everything.
What is all this? Why is my own different? How can I give birth to a useless, stupid old man? His mates are giving money to their parents. His own, he decides to be taking my money. If I keep money, he will steal it. If I keep money, he will steal it. If I talk, he will say I'm making noise. Why What is all this? Is it not your useless brother? He stole my money. And when I confronted him, he said I'm making noise. Making noise on my own money, pa.
He stole your money again?
Yes! My hard-earned money.
Mama, he said I should give you this money.
You should give me this money. Oh, you mean Ugo gave you this money to give to me?
Yes,
eh? Instead of him bringing it to me, he decided to give it to you. Have you seen it? Because he cannot face me. Eh?
Mama, stop shouting.
Why won't I shout?
You've gotten the money, just stop.
Is it easy to make money? At my age, I'm still suffering to make money. The only thing he does is to steal it. You better talk to your brother. At his age, he cannot do anything. Eh?
Stop stressing yourself.
Go and bring me kerosene and matches. Hold the money for anywhere. I can trust you. You can keep it on top of my bed.
But I'll still collect
some. Don't. Oh yeah, bring it too. Bring it. Bring me matches and kerosene.
These are very expensive. Beans, you want that beans now?
Okay, 2 for 50 naira. I mean, for 100 naira, 50 naira. Yes, take the bread. Beans is very expensive now. 100 naira. You mind chasing the tree? Or no, in Chairo? Enjoy, enjoy. Here's your change. Ife biche. Ewe. Japani. Okay, 100 naira, men special. See this one? Your height. No, mama. Oh yeah, enjoy it though. That was good today.
It was fine, Mama. Mama, where is Sister Chinye?
She's still purging.
Yeah.
You people hurry inside and go and change. You come back, I need your assistance, okay?
Okay, Mama. Mama, I want to stay with Sister Chinye.
Go and change, Biko.
You can tell me change that. I can stay with that. Or to hear that we're making. Where's your toilet?
Mama,
Anna.
I don't know why Charity does not like Sister Chinyere.
What do you mean by that?
Mama, the way she behaves towards Sister Chinyere, each time she hears about Sister Chinyere, she's always very, very upset. I don't know why.
You don't know. My name is Yonina Kwasilin and what balance.
Mommy, I'm tired. I want to go.
Go where? You want to come nearby. Mama, carry go that you ate today. 500 naira. See, I want to go.
Mama,
sit down there. No nearby, my friend.
Bro. 4.5, full board. 2 to come. 900 now, no more. Alpha. Il est chaud. Okay. Hey. Bro, another one. Yeah, no more. 900 now, no more. Check. Wow. What did happen today now? What did happen? Bro, another one. 900 now, no more. Wow. Guy, like go be now, eh? Later. Huh? I say later now.
How far now? Pay me my money now.
But later now. Later.
Pay me my money now.
Later now, bros.
Why you go play game? You tell me say later. Later how? I don't understand.
Oh, they play steady now. I they play will not be wahala. That's how I go
play. How you take consign me now? You play game, you don't win. Give me my money now.
What did they even do to yourself? I win, you don't give me my money. That because I dey quiet. You enter, they tell me nonsense. That you supposed to pay me self. Waiting.
If you don't get money, I beg, give me your phone, I beg. I know
my phone. Oh, yeah, take my phone. Go, Joe. Connect my phone. How I go connect to my...
Make I no change am for you. Give me your phone, I beg.
Change am.
Give me your phone,
I said change am. You say I go scatter everything wey dey here. Waiting.
This guy play game finish, you no pay me. Wetin be your own now?
Today I begin play game. You know they owe me. You don't owe me money. You don't owe me. I go scatter everything wey dey here. Yes.
Oh, you go scatter my property.
I say I go scatter everything wey dey here. Nothing go happen.
Where's Sachin? Mama is fine. Where's Sachin? Sister.
What is it? What's wrong with Mama?
How Brother Ugo?
Ugo?
Sister.
What happened?
Brother Ugo is fighting with Osondo and they're eating themselves.
Where?
At the betting center.
Chimo!
I thought you were not feeling fine.
Eh?
I thought you were not feeling fine.
Are you feeling fine?
I thought she was not feeling fine.
Yeah. Stay away from someone's relationship. Mind your business. Rest!
I don't know why everybody is attacking me in this house.
Come and carry this thing.
Come, Ben. Okay. Hi.
Ow. Aye, easy.
Sorry.
Oh, you are pressing the thing too much now. What's more?
I'm sorry.
Easy. Ow.
Sorry. But you shouldn't have gone to fight with Osandra. You would have just left the money for him.
Left what? Over my dead body. Why will I leave my money for him? I won that bet. You're supposed to leave the money for me.
Now, see.
Just small now.
Oh, yeah. But I'm just caressing it.
Small. Like this is good.
Just look at you. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Chinya,
Mama,
you are a very beautiful young lady. Just check yourself very well. Is this the kind of man you want to end your life with? He is not only a gambler, but a weakling. Or a fatal.
Mama, everyone in this village knows that Osondo is a bully. On a normal day, he can't even stand or go.
If I catch him, 10 minutes is dead. Believe me, I'll kill him. On a very good day.
Chinya, where are you there? Were you there when it happened? Stop supporting evil. It will backfire.
But Mama, I'm not now.
You are not. You said it will not even take 5 minutes on a good day. You will kill him. What happened to today? Is it a bad day? Chinyere, please. Look at yourself very well and make a good decision. Biko, for your own future. I have warned you severally to keep away from betting and gambling. But you would not listen to me. Today, if I keep my money, you will take it. Instead of giving me, you will be stealing my own.
Mama, rest now. Huh? Which one is your own? Is Chinyere looking for you? Am I not the one she came to see? Why are you doing like this now?
She did not come to look for me. But I'm only feeling for her.
Mama, don't worry. Everything is fine. Sorry.
I don't want you to useless your future. Yes, because I don't want her to waste her future following you up and down. Nem, please, talk to him. Biko, and be useful to yourself. Talk to him, and think about your future.
Your own future, is it good?
I don't have future, but thank God I have children. Though, I won't be proud to say you are my own son.
Mother of a weakling, what is she?
I have done my own. At least I have children. Excluding you, because I don't think I can include you as my child.
Mama, it's okay.
Better do something useful with your life. Forget him. No road here.
Mama, but this is your son.
What are you doing here? Huh?
Am I no longer welcomed in this house?
You are not welcome in my house. I've told you before. Leave. Go.
But I'm asking, where is she?
I've not seen her since morning. I heard that Ugo was involved in some kind of fight.
Huh?
Papa, at the betting center.
My friend, shut up. Was your father talking to you? Mind your business. Next time you answer your father in this matter, it will come be.
But where is Chinyere by this time of the day? Is it not obvious that something wrong is happening somewhere?
Chinyere.
Good day, Papa.
Where are you coming from? I'm asking you, where are you coming from? You see,
I was with Ugo. He had a fight.
At the PlayStation, yes. Continue.
He was badly injured, so I was helping him.
Helping him to do what? Helping him to do what? Are you a medical doctor? I want you to stay away from Ugo, but you won't listen. Any man who fights in the public will certainly beat up his wife. And to make matter worse, the young man is a gambler. Any man who loves to be a gambler will certainly be a swindler.
And gamble with his wife too. Shut up.
I am warning you for the last time. Afagabron Chinyere Ugo. Your name is Chinyere Ukeze. Stay away from that boy. Now get out of my sight, Osisa. Were you helping him to
separate
random check-up? Keep this food. Don't heal and more the time. Now you won't know. But this girl gave the boundary. If I know just a million people, I'm going to ask did you bring the money for this food? I don't even know.
About yesterday.
Mama, I don't want to talk about anything with anybody, please. I just want to be left alone.
You want to be left alone? You see your father, he doesn't hate anybody. But the minute he starts complaining about somebody, the man that there's more to it than meets the eye.
Mama, I am not a fool or an illiterate. I am a graduate, for crying out loud. Why does Papa think that anyone is taking advantage of me? Nobody is taking advantage of me. Ugo is just unfortunate and he's trying to work things out.
Trying to work things out, you said? What is Ugo trying to work out? By spending all his life in the betting center, betting his life away? Is that the kind of man you want to spend the rest of your life with?
Mama, what exactly do you people want from Ugo? What?
You know, your father was sick from stroke for 7 good years. If you remember, those 7 years I toiled morning, afternoon, and night, frying akara just to pay your way through school.
I remember all of that, Mama, and I am not going to disappoint you. That's why I keep saying, trust me, believe me. I know what I'm doing. I say I know it. I know what I'm doing.
I trust you, and I believe you. Manakangwa go, mposenta. I try no relate.
Good afternoon. You're welcome. I came to see you, Chio. Please, leave my Ugo alone. Jerry, there are so many men in this town, in this village that you can have. Leave my man alone.
Are you out of your mind? Are you all right? Will you get out of here before I empty this bucket of water on you?
Okay. I won't warn you again.
You think I'm joking? My friend, get out of here. Can you imagine? Walk into my father's house and start giving me orders. You must be very sick. Sandu, what is it? What is it again? Haven't you done enough?
My love, what is all this? Why do you choose to treat me like this? I swear I love you with all my heart. My BP is even high because of you. What is all this? I love you so much. I love you with all my heart. Are you doing this because of that food they call Ugo?
I will not have you talk about my boyfriend in that manner. I will not. What's that? Don't try it, oh.
Did you just say boyfriend? Boyfriend indeed.
What's that supposed to mean?
I've told you to stay away from Chinyere, but you wouldn't listen. Do you want me to kill you? Ugo, I am angry and hungry at the same time. Ugo, what is your problem?
Come on, waste me. Waste management authority. Waste me. You think it's easy? You think it's easy to kill somebody? Kill me. Guy, relax. See, number one, I'm not afraid of you. Number two, I'm not the one going after Chinyere. Chinyere loves me, okay? She keeps giving me money and getting things from her, getting money. And she loves me. Me, I don't even, it's not as if I care about her that much. I don't love her. She's coming after me, so why should I leave her? For what?
Okay, you don't love her. Why can't you stay away from her?
Is it your business?
Ugo, why can't you stay away from Chinyere? Ugo, I'll kill you, I'll shoot you. Kill me. Ugo, I am hungry and angry at the same time.
I am also hungry and angry. Kill me. Kill me, I said kill me. Think it's easy to kill somebody. Go away, Joe. I will not leave her. I will not leave her. You can't tell me what to do. What nonsense. Is it my fault that she loves me? Is it my fault that she chose me and she did not choose you? Is it my fault that you are ugly? Eh? Why are you looking at me like that? Which one is it?
Go.
The girl doesn't like you. The girl doesn't like you. Is it my fault?
You know what?
Is it my fault?
You know what? I know what to do.
What do you do?
I know what to do.
Story. I know what you're trying to do. I know it. You're simply trying to paint Ugo in bad light so that I will end up loving you instead of loving Ugo. But you know what? Ugo is my love. There's nothing you will do, and I know that he loves me very much. So just stop stressing yourself.
Chere, open your eyes so that you can see that this guy doesn't love you. This guy is a gold digger. He doesn't love you. He's just there because...
You know what? Stay out of my life. Stay away from my path. I don't ever want to have any discussion like this with you again. I'm warning you. Stay up. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Babe, come
Don't touch me. Oh, God. I will stone you. Shut up. Right. Oh, God. Oh, shut up.
I don't mean any harm, eh? Sorry, excuse me. How are you now? Fine girl. What's your name? Come on, come on. I go fly. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Sorry. I hope they did not hurt you. You're fine?
Yes, and they snatched my bag, all my money gone.
They snatched your bag?
Yes, they stole my money.
Oh my goodness. This is not good. Okay, I'm so sorry. Sorry about it. I mean, I don't know why this... Sorry. Where were you going before those hoodlums attacked you?
I was going to my mother's shop.
Okay. Don't worry. The good thing is that you're safe. You're fine. Just come inside my car. Let me drop you.
Will kill me.
Don't worry. Let me drop you first. Please, this place is not safe. All right? Come in.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Be careful next time. Listen, I have told you not to worry yourself. It's okay.
Sir, they took all my money.
They took all your money. I said it's okay. Thank God you're fine. No, there is. I don't know why you're stressing yourself. Is your mother's shop still far from here?
Not really far. Just down the road.
So what made you go that far to sell akara? Don't you go to school?
My mom is still trying to raise money for my twin and I to register for WAEC.
Twin? Okay.
Wait, I think I remember you now. You are the man that bought all my akara the other day.
Wow! Yes! I remember you. You were the one that sold all your akara to me.
Yes,
the other
sir.
day.
Yes, sir.
To my workers.
Thank you, sir.
Exactly. What a coincidence.
Thank you, sir, for buying all my akara the other day.
How would this... Oh, now I remember. Yeah.
Hope your boys enjoyed it.
Oh, my workers, they loved it.
Thank you, sir.
I was just looking at the face with this thing here. It's okay. So where is your mother's shop again? So
just
I can look at
straight down, then you take your left.
Oh, okay. This road is bad. You just have to be careful next time, okay?
Yes.
What's this?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes. Okay, what has she done, Biko?
She hasn't done anything.
You're sure?
Yes. Actually, a group of boys attacked her and snatched her bag.
Is okay?
Yes. So, I got so kind I was there to intervene.
Family Yaro?
Mbamba, she's very fine. I had to bring her to you. Mama, please, she has been lamenting about the money she misplaced. I want to know how much was the akara she left here with?
Nah, don't worry about that. The important thing is that she's okay. Even without being told. No, it's not okay if I beg go.
I insist. I want to know how much.
It's not much, nah. It's just 3,500.
3,500. Okay. A minute.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Okay. Mama, this is 155,000 naira.
I'm not a thief.
I know.
So why are you giving me?
Actually, the 150,000 naira is for her WAEC registration. Don't scold her, Mama. I made her say it.
Hey.
Yes. And the 5,000 naira is for the akara. Please, take it.
You gave me willingly.
Let her register for her WAEC. Go back to school.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Stand up. Let us together.
Yeah.
These are your children.
Yes. Yes, she's very.
I beg to take my leave now, Mama.
Okay.
So we'll see you some other time.
Thank you, sir. Because what is your name?
My name is Johnson. Johnson Okalo.
Johnson Okalo.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Johnson.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir. Let's wait first.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Mama,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Johnson.
Our money for WAEC is complete.
Listen, it's 150. You get 150 for your WAEC. Make Akara. No! You graduate first from Akara school. Before you go. So.
Mama, let me help you.
Mba, don't tell me I can count it. I may need help. No, dear. No, I trust you. The money is complete.
So that young man gave 150,000 naira just like that.
Just like that, though. I want to fed there. I want car.
Yeah, Ada, I want you to say the truth. Because of Holy Communion, has that young man asked from, all this, like, tit for tat?
Papa, there's nothing like that. Too.
What do you mean by nothing like that? Then you check what even you
can't tit for tat. Look at her, she's a small girl now. Why would a man be asking her for teeth and tatting? Because he gave it to her out of his own goodwill.
If you say so.
Thank you. The man is just being a nice man. Or sim teeth and tatting.
If you say so.
The important thing now is that my children will register for WAEC and NECO. Obronia. By the way, all I've been doing is praying. Praying for God to bless that young man for his generosity towards my family.
Amen. It is true.
God will bless him. That's your one.
I want. Hi!
Well. How?
Wait. You mean Osondo had the guts to say such nonsense about me?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, human beings. Why are people like this? You just go behind and be saying nonsense about people so you can take what does not belong to you.
Don't worry yourself, my love. I knew exactly what he was trying to do. So I made sure I put him in his place.
You did that?
Of course. Of course. See me, I can't even stand anyone saying anything about you. Talk more of lying against you.
I love you. I love you.
Love you too. I love you too. Hmm? Hey, one more thing, my love. I'm going to leave the village.
Huh? Leave to where? Why? Without me?
Baby, calm down now. There's nothing I'll do without having you in mind.
Huh?
Eh? I have you in my plan.
This one doesn't look like it, though. It's as if you and your parents have planned to arrange another man for you and just throw me away like that.
Ha! That's not even possible and you know it. They already know my stand.
Ha! What? Why are you leaving now?
You know I'm a graduate.
You started though. Every time you're a graduate. You're always rubbing it in so it will be paining me because I'm not a graduate. Go, Joe.
Relax.
Go.
Okay, as a graduate, I need to use my certificate to look for a better paying job. You know, so that we can do better. Or don't you want to live a better life? There'll be much money.
I do.
Good.
But not to leave me now. Not to leave me now. What will I be doing here?
I'm not leaving you now. It's for our good. Eh?
I'm not happy.
It's for money now. No money.
I'm not happy, honestly. Yeah.
What is it? Now you stalking us?
Hey, shut up! I'll slap your face now. Chinyere, take a good look at yourself. It is so painful that this young man here is using you, but you're too blind to see all these things.
Okay, Sukwanike. If a woman rejects you, you accept defeat and rest. It's not by force. The girl doesn't like you.
Okay, shut up! Ugo, now listen to me. If you give Chinyere any reason to disbelieve in your so-called love for her, one, I swear, I will come for you, idiots. I will come for you.
Deputy Jesus.
It's yours, yeah.
Until then, thanks for coming. Somebody will not just mind his business. What is your business in my relationship?
Don't mind him. It's because he cannot have me. He's just being jealous.
Of course I know now. I know. You're telling me if you give me reasons to continue to disbelieve in your waka. Is it your business? A girl that I can confidently lay down my life for. I love so much. Telling me rubbish.
It's okay, Ogun. Ignore him.
I'm trying to ignore him, but it's difficult. Why will he always put his mouth in my business? Why? Is she the only girl in this village? Look for another person now. She doesn't like you. She doesn't like you. End of story.
Okay,
find someone else.
It's okay. I know you love me. Ignore him. It's just for you to make sure that what he said does not come to pass.
Why are you leaving me now? Are you taking sides with him?
No, I'm not taking sides.
My love, wait.
Hey, I told you that my brother really loves Chinyere so much. Like, he really loves Chinyere to the extent that they're top of the town.
Hey, talking about everyone in the village. Do you know that your brother's love for Chinyere is really something else? Yeah, their love, eh? Okay, love wanting to.
I don't understand. Love wanting to.
What did you not understand? That your brother's love for Chinyere is the talk of the town. Yes! Could you believe that Obiora and Nonso broke up with their girlfriends all because of Ugo and Chinyere? Did you know that?
No. I don't understand. I don't get it.
What did you not understand? It's what I heard. That is what I'm telling you.
Wait. Honestly, I don't understand. How can they break up with their girlfriends because of someone else's relationship? No. This is not making sense at all. Explain.
Ijukwa monye kangaju, my dear friend. Like the both friends said, they said Ngozi and Chinwe are not taking good care of them. In fact, they're not spending on them. They're not giving them money. Just like Chinyere does to your brother. Just that, though.
Wahala.
Wahala, no, they finish.
They're looking for someone to give them money. These people, just leave them. They should go and work and make money.
As in,
they're depending on women.
How can yes, just... Amaka, is your brother at home?
My brother?
Yes.
Why are you looking for my brother?
I don't understand. What kind of question is this now? Amaka, don't you know me?
Of course I know you. Are you not Vicky? And I am very much aware that you and my brother have separated. So why are you looking for my brother?
Oh, I can see. So you're among those who are working against my relationship with Ugo. Girl, it will not work. It will not work. Ugo promised to marry me, and he will marry me. He will do.
Not by force. Eh? Not by force, Vicky. Oh yeah, let me disappoint you. Eh? My brother is going to get married to my beautiful girlfriend, Chinyere. And he's not going to marry someone like you. The whole villagers are actually talking about them as we speak right now. And they love each other. So please, leave my brother alone.
I can see. I have nothing to say to you. Just tell your brother that I was around.
And if I refuse?
I'm sorry for you.
Sorry for me? Go get yourself a brother. Go get yourself your own man, not my brother. My brother is not going to marry you. I said it again. My brother has a boyfriend.
That idiot. That fool. That good-for-nothing girl. That rats. That girl has the audacity to talk to me. Me, Vicky. No issue. Let me just finish with her brother. I'll come back to her. Me, Vicky. Okay. This is what love can do to a person. I'll come back to her.
I know say nobody perfect, but you no get right to play me like this. I know say nobody perfect, but you no get right to do me like this. I know say nobody perfect, but you no get right to play me like this. I know say nobody perfect, but you no get right to do me like this. To play me like this. To do me like this. To play me like this.
Me?
Yeah, you. How are you?
I'm fine.
You fine? I guess you don't remember me.
I'm sorry, I don't.
Okay. My name is Johnson. I am building in the next village. Your younger sister's favorite customer.
Oh, I remember. The man that came today.
I know. Don't go there. Yes. So how are you? How have you been?
I'm fine, sir. You're a very good man.
I know, thank you. And your mother, how is she?
She's fine.
And your siblings?
Very well.
Okay, good to know. You see, I have a project that I'm working on. So I just came to check up my boys. I am going back to the city. But before I leave, I want to, give you my card. Please, I would like us to see some other time. If you don't mind.
I'm sorry. I'm busy. I'm
sorry, sir. She'll be there. She'll see you. Yeah, she will call you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be expecting your call.
What was the meaning of that? Do you know him?
I don't know him, but sometimes people like you allows opportunities slips off their hand. Seriously, do you know if he's your destiny helper?
Destiny helper indeed. See, I have your brother and he is okay for me. I don't need any other destiny helper in this world.
Chinyere, I am sorry if I may sound rude, but
Sometimes your judgment seems like someone that have not attended any university at all. You're thinking it's just something else.
Wait, oh. What are you trying to say? Why are you insulting me?
Please, let me ask you. Did he say he wants to date you?
You could leave that thing. We all know where it will end finally. Don't want to make any call. Now, I said I don't want.
Take
what?
Call him.
Call him. Anything to do with that man.
Don't lie to me. I saw you. I saw you with him. Don't lie, oh. If you lie to me, you collect. You collect, oh.
I will collect.
You
what?
collect.
Ugo, you will slap me? For what now? What did I do? Are you my husband? And why are you going about stalking me?
Why won't I go about... How do you even put this? I don't know what you said, whatever you said. Why won't I do it? Huh? When you are busy sleeping with another man, why won't I do it?
Ugo, me? Sleep with another man? Where? At a joint? My God, Ugo, you're just being unreasonable.
How will I not be unreasonable? Do you think I'm still thinking well? How will I reason well when I'm seeing you going from one man to another? Why? How do you want me to function? You know how much I love you. Why will you be treating me that way? Is it because he has a car? Or where? Because he has a car and me, I don't have a car. No problem. Don't worry. It's okay. You can go ahead and be moving around with him. I swear, the next time I see you with that man, right in front of him, I'll beat you up and I'll break his car. Don't worry.
Hey. So if he finally marries me, what will happen?